Pixel USDT buy zone. I'm going to show you in this video the perfect zone that you should be looking for buying the market on this very new listing, and also on this very one as well, STRK on Binance. I'm also going to show you the perfect zone that you should take a buy position. So watch this very video till the very end. Please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. So let's dive right in. On Pixel here, that was a few days ago, I told you not to buy the market at this very point or this very area, okay? And the reason is because after every new listing, okay, we have to see the market move straight to the upside and then begin to come back to the downside. So if you did not get the token from pre-sale or from launch pool or launchpad, it is wise for you to wait for the market to retrace. Let all the people that have the token from maybe pre-sale or launch pool, let them sell off, okay, before we can now enter at a discount price. In this video, I'm going to show you the discount price on this very chart right now and possible buy area that you should be paying attention to on this Pixel token. So if you want to find discount on this very price chart, you see the market move all the way from here to this very point, and the discount level for this very area is from here to this very area where price got to at the first instance. So the discount price for this very token is at this very area of 0.33. Okay, so I am still expecting this market to drop back down into this very point. So this area is where you need to pay attention to, this very area. Okay, so once the market come into this very point, then I am expecting a buy pressure to come into the market, and that will be very, very clear on the volume indicator. So market should come back down into this area, and then this is a possible area of accumulation for market to move to the upside, because this is a very, very nice and significant discount price that we are seeing on the chart right now. Another area that you have to pay attention to for the market to move to the upside, because there is all tendency that the market may not move into this very area, and the market can just from here move to the upside. So what you need to do to enter is for us to see a breakout of this little resistance at this very point and this other resistance at this very area. So these two resistance have to break before you can enter any position to the upside. So from this very area, we want to see the market break this level of resistance to the upside with a significant bullish candle. Is a sign that the market is about to move to the upside. Nevertheless, if this did not break, relax for the market to come back down into this very zone, okay, then from here you can take your buy position to the upside. So buy position, two areas that you have to pay attention to. This is the first one right here on the chart. If we see a breakout with a significant bullish candle on this very level of resistance, or the market did not break and begin to come back to the downside, this very point is a nice discount zone for you to buy right now on your chart. Remember, there is no support here, okay, but from the discount indicator, this is a very good point to take your buy position. And the next token that just got listed on Binance is the STRK token, okay, and it's a layer 1 and layer 2 project or token. And you see the market move all the way from this very point of listing, that is 0.19, up to this very area of $7.7, and market crash back to the downside up to this very area. What I am expecting on this very token is a little very move to the downside. And this very one right here, if you look at the discount offer from this very point to where we see the market got into on the 1 hour chart, is this very area. So the discount price is just below this level of support right at this point. So you have to wait for the market to come back down into this very discount zone. This is where I am expecting this market to come into, okay, before you take any buy position on this very new listing. Remember, it is not always nice for you to take a buy position immediately after Binance lists a token because it's very risky. Let's say, for example, you take a buy position right here immediately after the listing, you discover that you should be in loss by now. Okay, so what you always have to do is to relax for newbie to keep buying the token. Okay, and then the market must definitely give us correction. Then after that correction, we have to enter the market at a discount price. So right now on this very STRK token, relax for the market to come back down, because from my own perspective, I am looking at the market still coming back to the downside into this very zone. Then looking for a buy position from here will be a nice idea. So when markets come into this very point, all you need to do is to look for volume. Okay, look for significant bullish pressure to the upside. Once you see that, then the market is going to from here move to the upside. So a recap of this video is that on the Pixel token right here, expect the market to break out. Once you see that breakout, market is going to move to the upside because we are seeing reduced momentum from the bears at this very point. So there is a tendency of the market breaking out on this very level of resistance. And if that breakout did not happen, expect the market to come back down into this very area of discount before you can take that trade. Now, one thing very important on this chart is that if you look at this very point, market move all the way up, and this very area of support have not been broken. Okay, and market is still in this upward movement. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. Please ensure you don't trade newly listed token immediately it is listed on Binance or any other platform. Wait for the market to retrace before you can enter at a discount price for the market to move to the upside. This is very important because it will save you a lot of dollars. Don't lose your hard-earned money. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. If you want to learn how to trade crypto professionally, check the description of this video right now. See a contact and reach out to me immediately and enroll for the crypto bootcamp. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.